In this video, you'll learn how to fix Claude Code deployment failures. This guide will take you through essential steps to ensure your deployment process runs smoothly and efficiently, focusing on local reproduction of the deployment environment, necessary configurations, and checking for potential issues. Begin by reproducing the deployment locally, which is a mandatory first step. This ensures that you address any potential issues before deploying to the cloud. Navigate to your project root directory and set the environment variable for production by executing the command $nval nod nval bv bivl production. After this, run npm-c to install the exact dependencies specified in your package-lock.json file. Follow this by running npm run build. If the build fails at this stage, it indicates that the issue lies within your application and not in the deployment process. Next, validate the required environment variables, as many deployment failures stem from missing API keys. To check your environment variables, execute get child item on varm in your terminal. Look for your Claude API key by entering echo $end of Anthropic _API _key. If the output is empty, you need to set the key by using setx Anthropic _API _key or _real _key here. After using sex restart PowerShell to ensure the changes take effect. Now, verify that you're in production install mode. Cloud platforms typically operate in this mode, which excludes dev dependencies. To simulate this, remove the node_modules directory by executing remove item node_modules -recurse -force, then run npm ci omit =dev. If this command fails, it suggests that a required dependency was incorrectly placed in dev dependencies. To fix this, move the dependency to the correct section in package.json and install it using npm install. It is also crucial to confirm that your node version matches the version used on the server. Check the required version with node-v. If the deployment platform uses Node 20 and you built your application using Node 18, this discrepancy can lead to runtime crashes. To address this, add the following to your package.json file, engines node =20. After making this change, reinstall your dependencies with E. Next, ensure that the Claude CLI is available in the production environment. If your deployment relies on the Claude CLI binary, test its presence by executing Claude-v. If it does not appear in the server logs, it means you forgot to install it during the build process. To rectify this, either update your build script to include npm install -Claude Code at latest, or add it to your Docker file or CI configuration. Validate network access from the server, as some hosting providers may block outbound API calls. Test this manually from the server by using curl https://api.anthropic. If you encounter a timeout, it indicates a firewall or hosting restriction. In this case, the deployment itself is not broken, but rather the networking is the issue. Finally, inspect the real error logs instead of making guesses about what might be wrong. If you are using continuous integration, access the logs with cat logs deployment.log. For PM2 users, run PM2 logs. If you are using Docker, check the logs with Docker logs. Always ensure you have accurate information before proceeding with debugging. To wrap up, running a quick deployment sanity script before every deploy is advisable. Execute node-v followed by npm ci omit =dev, then npm run build, and check the Claude version with Claude-v. Lastly, confirm your Claude API key with echo $end Anthropic _API _key. This step will help identify any potential issues before initiating the deployment.